Imagine knowing the exact week the most powerful iPhone ever made is about to launch. Imagine planning your upgrade before millions of other people even realize what's coming. Well, we now have a surprisingly clear idea of when the iPhone 18 Pro Max could arrive. And this time, the launch strategy might be very different from what Apple usually does. If the leaks are true, this could be one of the most important iPhone releases in recent years. According to multiple reports, Apple may split the iPhone 18 lineup into two separate launch windows: the Pro and Foldable Wave. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to be announced in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and possibly Apple's first foldable iPhone. The spring twist: the regular iPhone 18 is rumored to launch later in spring 2027. This means if you're waiting for the most powerful version, you won't have to wait until next year. Apple seems ready to give the Pro models the spotlight first, based on current leaks and Apple's usual schedule. Here are the dates you should remember for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Announcement: September 8th or September 9th, 2026 at Apple Park around 10 a.m. Pacific/1 p.m. Eastern. Pre-orders: Friday, September 11th, 2026, early morning around 5 a.m. Pacific/8 a.m. Eastern. High-demand models sell out fast. Official release: September 18th or September 25th, 2026. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature massive performance leaps. A 20 Pro chip, 2 nanometers process built on TSMC's advanced 2 nanometers process. Apps will open faster, gaming will feel smoother, and advanced AI features will run more efficiently with less heat. Larger battery and thermal management. Combined with chip efficiency, a larger battery will deliver longer screen time, while improved thermal management maintains stable performance during gaming, video recording, or heavy multitasking. Smaller dynamic island. Apple may move some Face ID components under the display, reducing the visible cutout area as another step toward a completely uninterrupted display. Custom C2 modem. Apple's next-generation modem will reduce dependence on third-party suppliers while improving network efficiency, signal stability, and battery life on mobile data. New colors. Rumored options include silver, dark gray, light blue, and a bold new dark cherry finish that could stand out as a major design talking point. If Apple truly delivers the A20 Pro chip, improved battery life, better thermal control, a smaller dynamic island, and a refined modem, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could easily become one of the strongest upgrades in years. For users who care about performance, battery life, and future-ready features, this could be the exact iPhone to wait